Welcome back to the shop. I'm Jeff from Today's Craftsman, and we have a box here from our friends at Colonial Saw. They were kind enough to send this out to us. This is the Lamello Classic X Aku? I don't know. I think that's how you say it. So this is the cordless biscuit joiner from Lamello, and we're gonna give you a look at it here. So we haven't used this yet, and we've only looked at it briefly, so this is just a bit of an overview to show you what comes with this, how it works, and what it does. Here's your instructions. We'll just throw these in the trash. That's why you're watching this video. We'll take you around what comes in the sustainer here. These come in a tonneau sustainer, which is nice. Have a dust bag. This is a cordless biscuit joiner, so it's nice to have, you know, freedom from a vacuum. 2 batteries. So these are 4 amp hour, and they're the CAS, the Cordless Alliance system. So these are compatible with a bunch of different European cordless power tools. So 2 of those. Of course, you have your charger to go along with that. It's a nice compact charger. Some of them are huge. Have our spacer plate here. This is for doing thinner material, and we'll show you how that works in a little bit. They call this a square stop. This is an additional fence that goes on the front. Again, we'll show you how this goes on in a second. And you have your machine here. You see Classic X, Lamello. And nice and lightweight. You know, it doesn't feel cheap. Has a good weight to it, but not super, super heavy. Let's pop in a battery. Got a nice soft start motor to it, no big jerk when you turn it on. Nice and smooth. So we can show you the adjustments here. This is your depth of cut, 20 being pretty much the most common size of biscuit, 10, 0, max, D, and S. So you're gonna probably leave this on 20 for the most part. Have your fence here. So we have detents, you know, 22.5, 45, I don't know what that is, 67.5, and 90. Nice positive detent, and a nice solid lockup. So that is when you're referencing here. But you don't have to use this. You can use this square stop, as they call it. And see, we have these dovetails. Goes in here. And you can lock this down at different heights. So that's delineated by this arrow. So let's say, you know, 20 millimeters, and you can lock it down. Now you can also use this in conjunction with an angle. So depending on the application, you may use both of these for additional support. So aside from the square stop, we also have the spacer here. So this goes onto the fence, and this is for doing thinner material. So typically, you know, this from here to the center of the blade is for, you know, nominal 3/4 material. If you put this on, get you in a better spot for something thinner like say 1/2 inch. Have a couple pieces of plywood here for an example. And, you know, it could be really helpful when you're joining 2 pieces to use biscuits. So say it's a tabletop and you're gluing up pieces of solid wood. Could be a cabinet and you're attaching your top and bottom to the sides. There's a lot of applications, mitered countertops and plywood. It's helpful to use biscuits. So we'll get this set up. We can put on our dust bag. And we'll get this marked up. So you can see here, we'll raise up the fence. We have these arrows. There's 3 arrows. So we have a side mark and a center mark. We'll bring our pieces together and we'll find a rough center. So this is 16 1/8. We have 8 1/16. So we'll mark both sides. And for this point, we're going to reference this center mark here. So this is the exact center of the cutter. And rather than marking out more marks, we're going to use the sides of the machine. So this is precision ground to be equidistant from center on both sides. So we can actually use the edge of the machine flush to the side here and flush to the side here, and we avoid having to make additional marks. Before we cut these biscuits, we want to mention that we have the machine set to 20 to correspond with the number 20 biscuits that we're using. And we are using Lamello biscuits. These, we've tried them all. These are the best biscuits. The thing that makes them so good is that the thickness, the consistency of the thickness. You never have ones that are super tight or super loose, which can be a real issue with biscuits. They go in every time and they're not going to fall out on you. So highly recommend using these biscuits. Spend a little bit more and use the Lamello biscuits. So let's make these cuts. Put our fence down. So the cut is super smooth and there's no dust in the air, which is really nice to be able to use a dust bag instead of a vacuum. We could pop these in. Imagine we were using some glue. And join our boards together. So we're nice and flush. And this is just one of the ways to use a biscuit joiner. They even offer different connectors that you can use with this, a Clamex style connector, connectors that slide together, and you have all your different sizes of biscuits as well as plastic biscuits. So yeah, that's a quick look at the Classic X Aku. Really nice machine. You can tell, you know, it's built really well, super smooth cut, nice and quiet. If you want to see more about this or have any questions, let us know down in the comments. We'll see you next week.